Wow, they've got a big lazy river.
Look, that looks fun. I want to go to that.
Yeah.
They have a thing that takes you up. And then you do what when you get up here?
You go down the slides. I guess the idea is that you have ski slopes and a ski lodge, and we had a heat wave, and now all the ski slopes are water slides.
Wow.
All right, Brad. So we're heading up to the top of Mount Gushmore.
Yep, Gushmore.
Instead of Mount Rushmore, it's Mount Gushmore. Here comes somebody. Whoa. Alrighty. This is the road to Slush Gusher and Summit Plummet.
The lifeguard will give you the all clear, then you can go. Keep your hands and feet inside the slide. When you reach the bottom, move
So
to the
you want to
side
go on that big one?
Yes.
And just a reminder, to slide down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, you have to be at least 48 inches tall. If you're shorter than that, you could try out Steamboat Springs, one of the coolest rides on the slope. Oh, and just a reminder, to slide down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, you have to be at least 48 inches tall.
Guys, I'm going to go down Slush Gusher.
Drop in front of you. With the lifeguard giving you all clear, start sliding, keeping your hands and feet inside the slide. As you reach the bottom, move to the side immediately. By the way, anybody there under 48 inches tall? If so, you're not.
I think that's only to come up. Alrighty. Should I scoot up, I guess?
Alright, give yourself a big push. Lay it back, cross your arms.
There we go. Whoa! Wow. Now that was fun. Okay.
Try out Steamboat Springs.
Yeah. Ready, go! Here I go! Woo! Woohoo! Whoa! I won!
That was fast. Oh, go! Here's water.
Ooh, that one hit a few bumps, I think. All right. Ready, race fans? Here we go.
It's not race, so you can't see.
You got your feet in it so you can push off? All right, no cheating.
Fly your stomach on the
see how this bad boy works. There goes my mat. Now we're gonna go on this ride. This one's called Snowstormers. We're gonna go on Snowstormers now. Here you guys go. Now it's my turn.
You're gonna struggle on getting out.
I gotta hold on. Whoa. Alrighty, race down, here we go. We are on the lazy river.
This one is lazy, lazy, lazy. That goes very slow.
Yay! Nice and relaxing.
Is a waterfall coming?
Oh, really? Oh, that looks scary. Hey, Brett. You made it.